Hello, everybody. This is George Guarino for Pictrance. And today we're going to take a look at this picture that I created long ago. And at this moment, it just seems like a good picture to draw your attention, to allow you to create a focal point, some place that you can look at in the picture, that you can pay attention to, that draws your attention there. And let all the other areas just kind of begin to disappear, become absorbed in that one point. Because you know about Pictrance, you know what's going to happen. So close your eyes down for a moment. Now open your eyes and once again see the picture and see that point. Just let yourself notice the colors, the spaces, the lines, the perceived textures. Notice what attracts you, and it doesn't even have to be something that you like, just something that causes you to look at that piece and look within the piece and within that point, within that point, within that point, and go deeper into that one spot, letting everything else just disappear in your periphery vision for just a short time as you just listen to the sound of my voice, knowing you're doing a great job participating. And close your eyes down. Now open your eyes once again. See the picture, see the space, see the point. Listen to the sound of my voice and knowing you're doing a great job. Just being here, participating, ready to go beyond the picture to that place of learning. And as you are ready to go beyond the picture to that place of learning, think about what it is that you'd really like to attract to yourself, that you'd like to know that you have the quality that you'd like to get rid of. Some change that you would like to know that you have when you come to the end of this experience and move forward through life. Something that you would like to notice that you are doing differently as you look back later and notice that you've been taken care of. So close your eyes down and begin to imagine and drift and journey toward the picture, toward that point. Begin to imagine, drift, and journey toward that point, and through the point within the point and beyond the point to the other side. And as you are on the other side of the point, you can really begin to float and drift and sense yourself in a beautiful, beautiful place, a place of bliss, a place of understanding, a place of knowing what you've come for. And you don't even know what you've come for yet. You know that your time is valuable, and as you continue to become more comfortable with the process, you can float, you can drift, you can find yourself noticing what it is you notice there. And go even further. Go way beyond, way beyond, way over there. Just keep going and going, way beyond until you feel comfortable. And rest for a while. Just rest for a while, listening to the sound of my voice. And you know your heart's beating, and your blood's flowing, and you're relaxing even more comfortably, letting go of anything. Any worry, any concern, anything that you need to let go of now. And begin thinking about what it is that you need and want to have, to be different, to have the quality of that would be so important for you to find yourself moving through the world with this new quality. And that quality can be a confidence, a knowing, a sensation that you can do what it is that you want to do. It can be a sensation of letting go of old aches and pains and discomforts, emotionally or physically. What if you were to move through the world and any of the old aches and pains and discomforts that you once noticed were gone, that they had been reset, turned off. They were able to just be there for you if you needed them to learn something from. But you realize that you don't need those discomforts, whether they're emotional or physical discomforts. You can move through life from this point forward with a new sense of knowing, a new sense of moving forward, a new sense of starting once again. What would that be like? How would you know that you were experiencing this? Sense yourself. Look outside and watch yourself. Watch yourself from an outside perspective, exhibiting the quality that you want to exhibit. Are you now able to speak in front of a group that you want to speak in front of easily and comfortably? Are you now able to talk to your friends and your acquaintances, your relationships, those people, and express yourself? Are you now able to bend over, bend down, and stand up straight and erect and stretch your body, free of any old discomfort? Sense yourself, notice yourself acting the way that you really want to act, and see how it is for you. See what it is, sense what it is, hear what it is. Hear what it is that you're thinking now, that you can let go of any of those old concerns and move forward, as if you turn on a switch. Turn on a switch of comfort, a switch of calm, a switch of knowing that the new you is able to walk through the world, and you have a sensation of what it will be for you to walk through the world with this new knowing. Sense that for a moment. Sense that now. And as you have that sensation, as you have experienced that for a moment, pull that into yourself. Pull that into yourself and step back into the being that is you there, with all of those qualities, with the things that you really want to move through the world with, and face yourself back to the back of the picture, and begin traveling toward the back of the picture, toward that point that you came from. And begin to notice that point and where you once were in front of the picture. Now drift through the point, through the picture, to where you once were in front of the picture, and open your eyes, see the picture, see the point, get those feelings inside of you of knowing that you have this, and close your eyes down, knowing that any time that you see the picture, remember the picture, or just know that it does exist in this world. It all started here when you allowed yourself to let go of your old way of being. Now open your eyes and see the picture, see the point, and close your eyes down, knowing that any time you do, think of the picture, remember the picture, see the picture, just know that it exists in the world, that quality that you really need and want to have in your life has been turned on now. So open your eyes and see the picture, see the point, get really comfortable with everything you've been doing, and close your eyes down, really letting everything become absorbed inside of you and sitting in the perfect place for you. Just give it permission to be in the perfect place, that you can move through the world as the person that you truly want to move through the world as. Open your eyes and see the picture, and close your eyes, knowing that any time you see the picture, remember the picture, or just know that it does exist in the world, that it all began here when you allowed yourself to participate. Now open your eyes and take in a deep, comfortable breath, letting yourself reacclimate yourself to the space that you're in, just knowing that you've done a great job. Thank you so much for participating in this session of Pictrance. Noticing that picture out in front of you and getting that memory of that picture stored someplace inside of you, letting that grow inside of you like a wonderful seed that you've allowed into your being now. This is George Garino for Pictrance. Until we work together again, be well.